Grammar. Do you know what is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that helps us speak and write a language correctly. Origin. The word grammar comes from the Greek word grammatica, meaning art of letters or writing. Indian concept. In India, grammar is called Vyakaran, and it has been studied since ancient times, especially in Sanskrit, to understand language structure and correct usage. Example. Correct. I eat apples. Incorrect. I eating apple. Parts of speech. The foundation. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the basic building blocks of English sentences. Every word in a sentence belongs to one of these groups. There are 8 main parts of speech. First is noun. Names a person, place, or thing. Dog. School. What is a noun? Definition. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. In short, anything you can see, touch, feel, think, or talk about is usually a noun. Examples. Person. Ram, teacher, doctor. Place. Delhi, park, school. Thing. Book, dog, phone. Idea. Feeling. Love, honesty, happiness. Types of nouns. Basic. Proper noun. Specific name. India, Ganga, Amit. Common noun. General name. Country, river, boy. Collective noun. Group name. Team, herd, class. Abstract noun. Idea or feeling. Truth, kindness, fear. Material noun. Substance, material, gold, water, wood. Example sentence. Ravi is reading a book in the library with great happiness. Here, Ravi, book, library, happiness equals all nouns. Now you understand what a noun is, but nouns are not all the same. They have different types. First, let's look at proper nouns. Proper noun. Vishesh naam. First, let's look at proper nouns, the special names we use for people, places, or things. What it is: the specific name of a person, place, organization, day, month, language, brand, historical event, etc. Rule: always capitalized in English. Examples: people, Amit, Dr. R.K. Narayan Sharma. Places: India, Delhi, Ganga, Ganges, Mount Everest. Organizations, brands, UNICEF, Tata, Google. Time, events, Monday, Diwali, World War II. Languages, nationalities, English, Hindi, Indian. Tricky points. When a proper noun becomes generic, common, it can lose capitalization. A Kleenex, generic for tissue. Book, film titles. Capitalize main words. The god of small things. The, with names. The Ganga, the United States, but India has no the. Even if people use it like a common noun, the original word is still a proper noun. Example: Kleenex, brand name, always proper noun. Always capitalized if we are strictly correct. But in casual usage, people write a Kleenex, lowercase, as if it's just another word for tissue. So, grammatically correct. Kleenex, capitalized, still proper noun. Everyday, casual use, Kleenex, treated like a common noun. This is why we say it loses capitalization in usage, but technically it remains a proper noun. Great! Now that you know proper nouns, let's move to common nouns. Second, common noun. Jativachak. What it is: a general name for people, places, things, or ideas. Capitalization. Not capitalized unless it starts a sentence. Examples: person, people, boy, teacher, doctors. Place, city, river, school. Thing, chair, phone, books. Idea, happiness, courage. These can also be abstract. Countability. Many common nouns are countable: a book, 3 cars. Some are uncountable: mass, furniture, information. Not informations. Words like furniture and information are called uncountable nouns or mass nouns. What it means? You cannot count them directly, so no plural furnitures or informations. They represent a whole category or mass, not separate countable items. Examples. Wrong. I bought furnitures. She gave me informations. Correct. I bought some furniture. She gave me some information. Tip. Proper versus common. River, common. Ganga, proper. Country, common. India, proper. Let's keep it super simple. A common noun is a general name for any person, place, animal or thing. ये किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान, पशु या वस्तु का सामान्य नाम होता है, खास नाम नहीं। Examples. Person, boy, girl, teacher, लड़का, लड़की, अध्यापक. Place, city, school, park, शहर, school, बगीचा. Animal, dog, cow, tiger, कुत्ता, गाय, बाघ. Thing, book, chair, pen, किताब, कुर्सी, पेन. For example, Ravi is a boy. Boy is a common noun, sadharan naam. Delhi is a city. City is a common noun, but Delhi is a proper noun, vishesh naam. Good job. Next is collective nouns, words we use for groups like team or flock. Third, collective noun, samuhvachak. What it is? A word that names a group of people, animals, things as one unit. Examples. People, team, committee, audience, family. Animals, herd, cows, flock, birds, pack, wolves. Things, bunch, keys, bundle, sticks, set, tools. Verb agreement. American English, usually singular when the group acts as one unit. The team is winning. British Indian English can be plural when members act individually. The team are arguing among themselves. Articles or number, singular by form, a team. Talk about many groups, 2 teams. Don't say a audiences, wrong. Say an audience or 2 audiences. Let's keep it super simple. A collective noun is a word used for a group of people, animals or things. एक ऐसा शब्द जो लोगों, जानवरों या वस्तुओं के समूह को बताता है. Examples. People, a team of players, खिलाड़ियों की टीम. Animals, a herd of cows, गायों का झुंड. Things, a bundle of sticks, लकड़ियों का गट्ठर. So instead of saying 10 players, we can simply say a team. यानी समूह को बताने वाला आसान शब्द ही collective noun है. Perfect. Now let's understand. Abstract nouns, names of ideas or feelings, like love or honesty. Fourth, abstract noun, bhavachak, what it is. A quality, state, idea, or feeling something you cannot see or touch. Examples, by source. From adjectives, quality, kindness, beauty, honesty. From verbs, action, state, growth, arrival, decision. From nouns, concepts, childhood, friendship, freedom. Formation, common suffixes, ness, kind, kindness, ity, purity, tien, cyan, decide, decision. Meant, develop, development, ends, ants, differ, difference, hood, child, childhood. Countability, usually uncountable, no plural, much happiness, not happinesses. Use quantifiers, a lot of love, great courage. Let's keep it super simple. An abstract noun is the name of a feeling, quality, idea, or state that we cannot see or touch, only feel or think about. यह ऐसे भाव, गुण, विचार या अवस्था का नाम है जिसे हम देख या छू नहीं सकते, केवल महसूस कर सकते हैं. Examples. Feelings, love, प्यार, anger, गुस्सा, happiness, खुशी. Qualities, honesty, ईमानदारी, bravery, साहस, kindness, दयालुता. Ideas, freedom, स्वतंत्रता, knowledge, ज्ञान, truth, सत्य. States, childhood, बचपन, health, स्वास्थ्य, poverty, गरीबी. Example sentence. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty equals abstract noun. Childhood is full of memories. Childhood equals abstract noun. Abstract noun वो नाम जिसे आप केवल महसूस कर सकते हैं, छू या देख नहीं सकते. Finally, let's see material nouns names of substances like gold, water or wood. Fifth, material noun, padarthvachik, what it is, a substance or material from which things are made. Nature, usually uncountable, mass nouns. Examples, by source, gold, silver, wood, water, milk, rice, sand, plastic. Usage rules. No, a, and, with uncountable material nouns. I bought gold. I bought a gold. Use units or containers to count. A liter of water, 2 cups of rice, 3 pieces of wood. Can become countable when talking about types, kinds, different wools, fine sugars, rare, technical contexts. Material vs common. Wood, material, vs a wooden table, adjective use, paper, material, vs a paper, a newspaper, exam, countable sense. Let's keep it super simple. A material noun is the name of a substance or material from which things are made. ऐसा शब्द जो किसी पदार्थ, सामग्री का नाम बताता है, जिससे वस्तुएं बनाई जाती है. Examples: metals, gold, सोना, silver, चांदी, iron, लोहा. Natural things, water, पानी, air, हवा, wood, लकड़ी. Food items, milk, दूध, rice, चावल, sugar, चीनी. Others, cotton, कपास, oil, तेल, clay, मिट्टी. Example sentences. This ring is made of gold. Gold equals material noun. The chair is made of wood. Wood equals material noun. Material noun equals वो पदार्थ जिससे चीजें बनती हैं. Quick comparison at a glance. Proper, Ganga, India, Tata, specific names, capitalized. Common, river, country, company, general, collective, team, family, flock, group as one unit. Abstract, love, freedom, honesty, ideas, qualities. Material, gold, water, wood, substances. Mini practice with answers. Identify the noun type, Mount Everest. The committee has decided to meet again. Committee, childhood is a beautiful time. Childhood, we need 2 liters of milk. Milk, river vs Ganga, which is common, which is proper?